So in this video, I'm going to help you understand 3 things I've learned about YouTube since I've been on this platform. So there are a lot of things that you must have heard about YouTube. You must have heard that YouTube is very hard. Yes, it is. I won't want to deny that fact. You must have heard that you need to polish your thumbnail to be very good to make your video reach wide audiences. You must have heard that you need to know how to write good titles. You must have heard that YouTube pays well and is one of the best paying platform. You must have heard a lot of things about YouTube, but in this video I'm going to tell you 3 specific things that you need to know about YouTube that I've learned for myself, and it has brought my mind at peace about what YouTube really is and what it really gives. So my name is Philip, and if you love my videos, please support me by clicking on the subscribe button. And I'm not leaving until you've clicked on that subscribe button. Just click it. Alright, if you've already done that, let's rock and roll. So there are a lot of things that YouTube gives. In some countries around the world like America, a lot of people, most especially young people, have taken content creation as a profession. And one of the platforms they upload their videos to is on YouTube. So YouTube has become one of the best paying platforms here on earth. So there are a lot of things you should know about YouTube. I've come to learn these things for myself, and I've been doing well with YouTube. I've change niche to niche, and I've been able to master the art of YouTube. So I'm just going to share these 3 things I've been able to learn since I've been here on YouTube. So number 1, you cannot tell YouTube what to do. I've watched some videos where some people tell YouTubers, the owner of YouTube, that, please make this video go viral for me. Please do this for me. Please do this for me so that, I can get monetized. The truth is, no one cares about that on YouTube. No of the YouTube owners or people who manage YouTube care about your place. So stop doing that. Otherwise, it will get them offended and just delete your channel. So what you need to understand that is YouTube doesn't care if you are crying. All you just need to do is to keep on posting and never give up, so that your video will always be there to compete with others. You try to beg YouTube for them to make your video go viral. My brother, you are just wasting your time. Just put a lot of effort so that your video will go viral. So another thing I've come to learn being here on YouTube is that you can never tell the video that will blow up your channel. Sometimes when we create videos and when we see how beautiful the video is, when we think of the time we give into editing the video, we thought that this video will be a blast. This video will be a blast, and it will be one of the videos that is going to get our channel monetized. But after all, what happened? The video will go nowhere. So you cannot really tell which of the video that will make your channel go viral or that will blow up your channel. So you just keep on creating videos. Do not rely on one video. Keep on creating different videos that give meaning to life, that improve people, that make people learn and entertain people. Do not just create one video and believe that, yes, this is the video. You cannot tell the video that will blow up your channel here on YouTube. No one can tell you. Even Mr. Beast, who is one of the biggest, who is the biggest YouTuber, cannot tell which video that will blow up his channel. See, Ronaldo cannot tell the video that will blow up his channel. So every video that comes into your channel are there for a purpose, and they will serve as the YouTube algorithm will give them the opportunity to serve. So do not give up even after you've uploaded a video thinking that the video will go viral and later on the video flop. Do not give up. Keep on uploading, and one day you see that the video that you do not even expect will be the one to go viral. So the third thing, which will be the last thing I'm going to tell you about what I've learned so far on YouTube, is YouTube doesn't send who you are. So for example, you may think that Mr. Beast is the greatest YouTuber. The truth is, yes, he is the person that has the highest subscribers here on YouTube. But another truth is, if he go against the YouTube algorithm, they can easily wipe out his account. They can easily restrict his account. YouTube has been programmed, so whenever you go against it, YouTube itself, will just restrict your account. We just add the penalty, played to your account. So YouTube doesn't care who you are, be you, a successful YouTuber, be you a coming up YouTuber. YouTube doesn't care who you are. They can delete your account when need be for it. They can demonetize your account when need be for it. So you need to be careful about what you do here on YouTube. Do not think that, because it's just my video, it doesn't have plagiarism, it doesn't have copyright, so because of that YouTube can just accept it. You need to be very careful of the kind of video you post in here or how you edit your video. There are a lot of people, after editing their personal videos, they go ahead and add some music to it, and not knowing that those music have copyright. When you add such music to your video, a music that doesn't give you full right to use, and you add it to your video, what happens? YouTube can easily delete that video, or with that your YouTube channel can get restricted. So you should be very careful. YouTube doesn't care who you are. They love the fact that you are on their channel, you are using their platform, but if you go against their rule, they can easily restrict your channel. So now you've learned about these three things. You just go ahead and let these three things stay in your mind so that you can be able to maintain your YouTube channel and stay ahead of other YouTubers. So my name is Philip, and if you got any value from this video, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. If you've already done that, then stay good and stay cool till we meet in the next video. Bye bye.